This video will show you how to use Move Special or change the room of a guest. This may be done both before and after check-in. Let us see how. Right-click the reservation you wish to move. Click Move Special in the context menu that opens. Select the room type and the room you wish to move from the dialog box that opens. Note: by default, the system will show only the clean and not assigned rooms that are ready for check-in. Remove the tick if you wish to see all rooms. Note: if the selected room is already assigned to another booking, you will get the option to swap rooms. Click Swap Room. Click Move. An alert appears. Do you wish to change room type? Click OK. The reservation is moved and assigned to the selected room. Alternatively, you may also use Move Special post check-in. The room change is affected only for the remaining stay. Right-click the checked-in reservation you wish to move. Click Move Special in the context menu that opens. Select the room type and the room you wish to move from the dialog box that opens. Select the reason for moving the reservation. Click Move. An alert appears. Do you wish to assign room? This will split reservation. Click OK. The remaining stay of the reservation will move to the selected room. This brings us to the end of the video on how to use Move Special or change room.